Hey Oakham students, I'm Ben Asman. Today we're going to be doing 2 extra little demonstrations to go along with the extraction lab. Let's get to it. Extraction demos. Which phase is which and the salting out effect. Okay, so our first demo has to do with these. We want to figure out which one is the aqueous, which one is the organic phase. You can see there's a top and bottom for each one. One of them is clear, one of them is colored. We want to figure that out. To figure that out, the easiest way is we're going to grab ourselves a few test tubes here, one for each one, and we will go ahead and add a little bit from each layer into here. That is plenty, and so now most of the time you can just determine using the density of your organic phase. If it's more than one, it will be on the bottom. If it's less than one, it will be on the top. However, if you are still not certain, you can always verify by just grabbing a little bit of DI water and you're just going to add it in. Whichever phase gets bigger, you know that's the one that's aqueous. So in this case, you can see that. And you can see that. So now you can know top phase about the thing, which one's aqueous and which one's organic. Okay, let's move over to the salting out effect. We're going to use T-butanol and we're going to salt it out of water, our salt being potassium carbonate. Now we don't have to worry about deprotonation here because a pKa of potassium carbonate is far less than the pKa of T-butanol. Okay, now to try the salting out experiment, we're going to start off with some T-butanol and some DI water. Now we're going to grab some potassium carbonate. Okay, so now we have 2 phases, just as before, to figure out which one's which. Grab some water here. Okay, you can see which one's got bigger. That means you know which one's the aqueous phase, which one's the organic,